Um, I want to show you guys how we cleaned the tile and the grout. I'll show you. We need to clean all these grout because it's really dirty. And we are going to be using this steamer that I rent from Home Depot, and I will show you guys in a minute how to set it up and how to use it. Alright, my friends, so we are going to begin by preheating this steamer, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some water, and we're going to leave it for about 10 minutes so it gets all warm up, and then we're going to turn it on, and then we'll turn the power and the steam on, and then you guys will see the green light flashing. That means it's not ready yet, so we're gonna leave it there for a couple minutes, around 10 minutes, and then we'll start using it. Okay, my friends, let's take a look at some of the attachments that I will be using today. I have a couple things here, but the only ones that I will be using it would be this one and this nasal with a 1-inch brass brush. Alright, so I am just gonna get all these attachments together, and I'm gonna set up these attachments with the hose so I can start scrubbing the grout. Let's take a look at the steamer and see if it's ready. Right now I will be connecting the one with onto the hose, and I will be checking for temperature and also make sure that the hose is in, making sure that it's connected, and I gotta check the temperature. It has to be ready because otherwise it won't work. Now the flash is the light is flashing, so that means it's ready to use. Okay, and now that the steamer is ready, I'm going to prepare the floor by applying some grout cleaner. These will prepare the grout, and it will make our job easier when cleaning the grout. Alright, let's test this steamer, and it looks like it's ready to go. And the way we're gonna be doing it is just this way. We're gonna go through all the grout, all the lines, line by line, and on this motion, up and down, up and down. guys, take a closer look and see how amazing this thing works. I love it. I literally got obsessed with this steamer and use it for a lot of different things. I have used it for shower tiles, for a lot of different things. You can use these type of steamers. Alright, let me show you guys a before and after. Look at that white grout and look at this dark grout. So that's how it's supposed to be. That gray, light gray grout means that it's clean, and then that darker grout, that means it needs to be clean. As you guys see, there's a lot of difference, so that means that tile is really dirty. So great results. Okay, my friends, we got to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to leave your questions down below. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.